Understanding the impact of government policies on the industry. Government policies have a profound impact on industries, influencing their operations, growth, and overall dynamics. The impact of government policies on an industry can be both direct and indirect, shaping the regulatory environment, market conditions, and the competitive landscape. Here are key ways in which government policies can affect industries. 1. Regulatory environment. Licensing and permits. Government regulations often require businesses to obtain licenses and permits to operate, ensuring compliance with health, safety, and environmental standards. Industry standards. Governments may set industry standards and regulations to maintain quality, safety, and ethical practices within specific sectors. Product approval. Certain industries, particularly those related to healthcare, pharmaceuticals, and technology, may require government approval for the introduction of new products or services. 2. Taxation policies. Corporate taxes. Changes in corporate tax rates and policies directly impact the financial performance of businesses within an industry. Incentives and credits. Governments may provide tax incentives or credits to encourage specific activities, such as research and development, renewable energy projects, or job creation. 3. Trade policies. Tariffs and trade barriers. Government-imposed tariffs and trade barriers can significantly affect industries engaged in international trade. Trade agreements. Participation in trade agreements can open up new markets and opportunities for industries, while changes to these agreements can have the opposite effect. 4. Labor and employment regulations. Minimum wage laws. Government policies related to minimum wages impact labor costs for businesses. Workplace safety regulations. Regulations governing workplace safety and conditions can affect operational costs and practices within industries. 5. Environmental and sustainability policies. Emission standards. Industries with significant environmental impact, such as manufacturing and energy, are affected by government-imposed emission standards and environmental regulations. Renewable energy mandates. Policies promoting renewable energy sources can influence the direction and investments within the energy industry. 6. Monetary policies. Interest rates. Central bank policies on interest rates influence borrowing costs for businesses, impacting industries such as construction, real estate, and manufacturing. Inflation control measures. Government actions to control inflation can affect pricing and cost structures in various industries. 7. Health and safety regulations. Product safety standards. Governments set standards for the safety of products, particularly in industries such as pharmaceuticals, food and beverages, and consumer goods. Occupational health and safety. Regulations related to workplace safety impact industries with physical or chemical risks. 8. Infrastructure development. Investment in infrastructure. Government initiatives in infrastructure development, such as transportation and communication, can benefit industries reliant on efficient logistics and connectivity. 9. Education and training policies. Skills development initiatives. Government programs aimed at improving the skills and education of the workforce can impact industries that rely on specialized knowledge. Thus, financial and banking regulations. Credit policies. Government policies related to credit availability and lending practices influence the financial health of industries, especially those with high capital requirements. Considerations. Political stability. The stability of government policies and the political environment influences investor confidence and long-term planning within industries. Global interactions. Industries that operate globally are influenced not only by domestic policies but also by international relations, trade agreements, and global economic conditions. Adaptability of industries. Industries that can adapt to and navigate regulatory changes are often more resilient and better positioned for long-term success. Collaboration and advocacy. Industry associations often play a role in advocating for policies that align with the interests of their members and fostering collaboration between the private sector and government. Understanding the impact of government policies on an industry is essential for businesses to anticipate changes, adapt their strategies, and engage in advocacy efforts when necessary. It also allows policymakers to design effective regulations that balance economic development with social and environmental goals. Stay tuned for more updates.